Alright, real quick, I'm going to show you how you program a key fob on almost every Ford since they started doing the fobs to about, I guess to about 2014, something like that, 2012. As long as you have, this shaped key blade, it's going to work for you. The high security ones are a little bit different, but anyway. So go ahead, open your door, hit your lock and unlock a few times. It don't matter where you end it. You're just kind of waking up the system. Then we're going to take our key, put it in the ignition. You're going to start in the off position. Okay, and when you're ready, you're just going to turn it from off to the on position 8 times, ending in the on position. Okay, and when you get to the right position, you'll hear their door locks, lock and unlock, and then you're just going to hit any of the buttons on the keypad, and you will hear the door lock cycle again. You turn the ignition off, you're going to hear the lock cycle again, and then you're all set. You see it's currently programmed. So very simple to program Ford remotes.